Yes, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to TUTOR LOKESH channel. In this question, it was given that if tan theta is equal to a by x, then find the value of x by root of a square plus x square. See, don't see this question what we have to prove here. Rather, from the given question, from the given hint, from the given data, so tan theta is equal to a by x. So we know that if tan theta is equal to something, or if sin theta is equal to something, or cos theta is equal to something, we can directly draw the triangle with the given measurement. See here, tan theta is equal to a by x. So we know that tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So from where it we know? From SOHCAHTOA we know that tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So that means opposite is here a and adjacent means here x. So I will draw the triangle and I'll put opposite side as a and adjacent side as x, and adjacent side as x, and hypotenuse thing, we have to find the hypotenuse side. Let it be h. So from Pythagoras theorem, opposite square plus adjacent square is equal to hypotenuse square. So opposite here is a and adjacent here it is x square, that is equal to hypotenuse square, and hypotenuse is equal to square root of a square plus x square. Since because if you send this square to that side, it will become square root. So ultimately we are getting root of a square plus x square. Now if you see here, from this triangle we can find all the other remaining trigonometric ratios starting with the sin theta. So sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, and opposite is here a by root of hypotenuse is root of a square plus x square, and similarly cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, and adjacent is x here, and hypotenuse again root of a square plus x square. Now just look at the question what he has been asking. He's asking that the value of x by root of a square plus x square, and we got this x by root of a square plus x square as nothing but cos theta. So our answer is cos theta. Our answer is cos theta. That's it. Thank you.